In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through QuickBooks to manage and review your audit logs effectively. Whether you're a small business owner or someone managing the finances of a larger organization, keeping track of transactions is crucial for maintaining financial accuracy and integrity. So let's dive right in and walk through these steps together. First, you'll want to start by opening up QuickBooks. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your account so that you can access all the features we'll be discussing. QuickBooks is your financial command center, so getting comfortable navigating it will serve you well. Now, once you're on the home page, look to the upper right corner of your screen. That's where you'll find the settings gear icon. Click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear filled with a variety of options to help you manage your QuickBooks account. These options are essential for customizing how QuickBooks works for your specific financial needs. From there, we're going to focus on accessing the audit log. So, the next step is to click on the option marked Audit Log. This feature is invaluable as it serves as a record of all the activity that happens within your QuickBooks account. It's a detailed ledger of changes, updates, and movements that can help you track and verify your financial transactions over time. Once you're in the audit log, you'll see a range of filters and options at the top that can help you hone in on specific data. Start by clicking on Date Changed. This allows you to filter through changes that have occurred within a certain time frame. It's particularly useful if you're auditing a specific period or need to verify changes made during a distinct span. Next, let's explore the Events filter. By clicking on Events, you can further specify what types of changes you want to review. Whether you're interested in modifications to expenses, new entries, or updates, this feature offers a way to zero in on particular types of financial events. Being precise with your filters can save you time and provide clarity when scrutinizing your financial data. Finally, there's the Deleted Voided Transactions option. Click on this to view any transactions that have been removed or voided from your records. This part of the audit log is crucial for ensuring no unauthorized or accidental deletions have occurred, which could impact your financial reporting or cause discrepancies. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be adept at using QuickBooks' Audit Log feature to better oversee your financial records. Remember, regular monitoring and reviewing of your audit log can not only catch errors, but also help in maintaining transparency and trust in your financial practices. Thanks for watching, and be sure to keep an eye out for more QuickBooks tips and tricks in our upcoming videos.